In the first example, the number on the left side of decimal point is between 1 and 999. The exponent is not multiple of 3. Okay, so let's take a look where we are. We are between -3 and -6. We have to move the decimal point for sure in the right direction. Why? Because if you are going to move to the left, you are going to create 0 on the left side of the decimal point, and we don't want to have that. That's why if you are going to move the decimal point to the right, number will get bigger, exponent has to get smaller. That's why I'm going to have 38 times 10 to -6. The number on the left side of decimal point is between 1 and 999. My exponent is multiple of 3, so this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. The number on the left side of the decimal point is between 1 and 999. Exponent is multiple of 3. You don't have to change anything over here. This is the solution to the problem. Let's take a look at the third example. I have 8.9. The number on the left side of the decimal point is 8. 8 is between 1 and 999. The power of 10 has exponent -8. -8 is between -6 and -9. Anytime exponent gets smaller, number is going to get bigger. Okay, so I'm going to convert my exponent to -9. If my exponent gets smaller, number has to get bigger. I have to move my decimal point once to right because the number has to get bigger. Anytime you're moving decimal point to the right side, the number is getting bigger. That's why I'm going to have 89 times 10 to -9. The number on the left side of the decimal point is between 1 and 999. Exponent of my power of 10 is multiple of 3. That's why this is the solution to the problem.